People use this plant and don't know what it does to their health. I'm sure you'll be amazed. Tip number 1. Improves digestion. Rosemary tea can be taken right after lunch or a dinner that didn't sit well, helping to improve the digestive process, fighting heartburn and excess gas. This way, it also combats bloating or a swollen belly as well as lack of appetite. Tip number 2. It's a great natural antibiotic. Due to its medicinal properties, rosemary has antibiotic action, being more effective against bacteria that cause urinary tract infections, vomiting, and diarrhea. However, it shouldn't replace medications prescribed by your doctor, but it's an excellent way to recover faster. Tip number 3. Helps control diabetes. Rosemary tea also helps maintain diabetes under control. Because it can lower glucose and increase insulin, it helps in the daily life of diabetics. It's important to remember that using the tea doesn't replace the need for a proper diet and the use of medications recommended by the doctor. But by frequently using rosemary, it may be possible to decrease the dose of oral anti-diabetic drugs under medical guidance. Before we move on to tip number 4, share this idea with your friends and family. I'm sure they'll love to know about it. Tip number 4, combats mental fatigue. Studies have already proven the benefits of rosemary for brain function, being a good aid for periods of stress such as before and during exams or before and after very important work meetings. Additionally, rosemary's properties seem to combat Alzheimer's, preventing memory loss. However, more studies need to be conducted for it to be used in the production of Alzheimer's medications. And if you like this topic and want to continue receiving our health tips, comment "I want" down below, okay? Tip number 5. Detoxifies the liver. Rosemary also improves liver function and reduces headaches that may arise after overeating fatty foods or consuming alcoholic beverages. Number 6 is an excellent diuretic. Rosemary tea is an excellent natural diuretic. When used in diets to lose weight and combat fluid retention in the body, it increases urine production, which stimulates the body to eliminate the maximum amount of retained fluids and toxins, thus improving your health. Number 7, combats inflammation. Consuming rosemary tea is also good for combating inflammation, relieving pain, swelling, and discomfort. In this case, it can help combat inflammation in the knees, tendonitis, and even gastritis, which is inflammation of the stomach. Tip number 8. Prevents thrombosis and improves circulation. Rosemary has antithrombotic effects, being useful for those with circulatory problems or who need to stay in bed rest for a few days. In this case, it improves blood circulation and prevents the formation of clots that could obstruct blood flow. It's particularly recommended to be taken after surgery. Tip number 9. Helps fight cancer. Check this out, guys. Animal studies suggest that rosemary can decrease tumor action. However, more studies are needed to identify exactly how this plant could be used for the production of cancer medications. But it's already a great start, right? Number 10, makes your hair look better. Besides all that, unsweetened rosemary tea can be used to wash your hair because it strengthens the strands, combats excessive oiliness, fights dandruff, and facilitates hair growth by improving scalp microcirculation. We've talked about the good part. Now let's talk about contraindications. Excessive consumption of rosemary, especially in the form of concentrated oil, can cause problems such as nausea, vomiting, kidney irritation, uterine bleeding, skin redness, increased sensitivity to the sun, and allergic reactions. Additionally, its use as a medication is contraindicated for pregnant and breastfeeding women, people with a history of seizures, and those with blood clotting difficulties or who take medications such as aspirin. This video got quite long, so if you want to know about this special rosemary tea recipe that helps you combat all these problems mentioned in this video, just ask me in the comments and I'll be happy to send it to you. So, did you like the benefits of rosemary tea? Don't forget to make it today. and share this valuable information with your friends and family. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll respond to you soon. Well, I'll leave it here for now. Big kiss, God bless you, and see you in the next video.